Today we're doing the Komfort Signal install on my 1990 Audi 200 Turbo 10 valve Quattro. This is the winter car pretty much. It's gonna get me up and down the mountain. Okay, so this is what I'm using. 3/8 drive ratchet extension, 24 mil, side cutters, knife, the basic screwdriver from the Volkswagen toolkit with the Phillips and the flathead, and some electrical tape. It's gonna be pretty fucking complicated. So first things first, taking the steering wheel off. Next, you take the upper and lower steering column covers off. We're removing the cover. Removing the covers so you can actually get to the hazard light switch wiring harness here. So we can tap into that with what we're doing. What the fuck is going on here now? What the fuck is that shit? Took this whole piece off of here to get easier access to the wiring harness. And keep going. So this is the harness we're using right here. Can't probably really see it, but whatever. And I'm now prepping the relay harness from the kit to go in. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So in the kit, they give you these nice fancy butt connectors to cut the harness and put it together with. However, I decided not to. I don't want to cut the original harness, so I'm just going to be splicing it in kind of as a more temporary install, just in case anyone ever remove it, but fuck it, really, doesn't matter. Okay, so here's the harness we're going into. I'll write down the wiring connections at the bottom of the video. Okay, so I got all the wires into the harness. Like I said, I just spliced in and taped it because I didn't feel like doing the butt connectors and cutting the actual harness. So this way it's kind of maintained. It kind of looks like crap, but you'll never see it, and the connections are fine. All I got left to do now is run my chassis ground, which is the brown, and put everything back together. Steering wheel back on, covers, everything's connected. Light bulb warning, got HIDs in it, so it's gonna pop up. Alright, so I'm gonna go one touch. Here we go. As you can see, I'll try and do it like this. So yeah, that's the Komfort Signal install for the Audi 200. Like I said before, I'll post the wiring diagram below, or not diagram, but the wiring connections below. It really only took me like 30 minutes. Wasn't too bad. But yeah, peace out. This is P-Lang from the VWarmy. Maybe we'll get to do this again sometime. Oops, sorry. Sig, can you do me a kindness here? Can you pass me the wiring paper, please? And you can hear my dog Sig in the background whining because I'm not sitting in there with him right now. Yeah, we drink a lot.